could you do the introduction for me? I ask you 2 questions. Who are you and something you want to share, and then I give you this keychain.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'm pretty nervous, but what should I say?
No, nothing to be nervous about. I just asked 2
Okay.
questions.
Okay.
So then, first thing you say, intro the Pocket Pod episode 96. And this is for you. I made it. It's 3D printed.
Thank you.
It's the pod, and then when it goes in your pocket, then it becomes the Pocket Pod for yourself. So
Thank you. Intro the Pocket Pod episode 96.
thank you. And who are you?
I'm Angela Wu.
And what's something you want to share with the world? It could be anything.
I will say be kind for everyone, be nice, and then I don't really know. Just do what you want to do. Try your best,
Yeah.
and then yeah, that's it.
You
Sorry.
sound like you know. You do know. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Understand that I can't stand being comfortable. Comfort leads to complacency, and complacency is my enemy. I can't ever be complacent because I haven't obtained it yet. A dream grander than the imagination. Thinking if I want to bring my laptop. Well, objectively, I know I'm going back home. I know I'm going back to my mother. So, we're gonna be there for the weekend. What are you gonna think about during that weekend? Are you gonna think about the pod at all? Oh, yeah, you will? Okay. Are you gonna say, oh, I want to edit, and then say, damn, but I don't have a laptop? Oh, you would? Oh, you are? If you don't bring that? Oh, okay. Well, it seems like you know what you have to do. You've experienced this before. And in the same way, you've proven to me that you should have that foresight, because you don't use that, oh, I don't have the have the laptop, as a validation, as an excuse. You just use it as a reason onto why it was prolonged a bit, because I still did it. You still did it. I used my sister's laptop because the software is online, so and I bought the subscription and the files. I'm like, okay, and I have the drive mentally, but also literally, like the the hard drive. You see, this is why I really want to order Camp Dan. If I had it, oh my gosh, it could have been a movie. But you know what the thing is? These days will come again. I've witnessed it over and over and over, and I've made these movies in many different ways, but now I'm just thinking about a new movie. I always have a grander and bigger idea for the next blockbuster film. The adventure, the story of a lifetime. The adventure of a lifetime starts with me putting on pants first. I'm gonna wear a construction outfit. That just seems logical. To a truck show? It just sounds fun. It's either that or my Toronto. Oh yeah. Thank you. I love throwing my clothes here, bro. Oh, or maybe I want to be African. Okay. It's either African or a construction worker. It's one or the other. Maybe an African construction worker. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. I understand it. I'm gonna have fun today. I'm gonna have fun every day. This life is only fun. That's what I will make of it. It's not only fun in the sense where that's all that there is to have, but it's only fun in the sense that's all that I will take from it. That's all that, if it's up to me if I have a say in it, if I influence it, it's more, if I choose and I choose chia, if I choose, that means it can happen, eh? By any means necessary. I don't do anything all at once. I didn't get the African outfit at once. I didn't get the construction work, the vest, the shirt. I didn't get it all at once. I but it's here now. And I will make the best use of it. Oh, but I'm going to the gym, so let me preemptively bring shorts. And so I'm gonna leave a pair of shorts in my locker. Just put that there. Even me getting ready right now, I didn't do it all at once. I didn't do the bed and then the food. I did the food a little bit of the bed, a bit of cleaning here, a bit of idea here, a bit of went back to the print over there. Then do you want your laptop over here? I don't do anything all at once, but I do enough, and it builds. It builds. That's the name of the game. Call it Fortnite. We build. Call it Minecraft. We build. It'll happen all at once, and I still have to do the dishes. I'm seeing. And that's why I knew I was thinking. I said I should do the dishes. No, I should do the dishes right now. And so I could throw it in the middle of this, like as I'm washing the blender, because then if I tag it in with the blender, then that means it has to get done. It's a prerequisite to the rest. Not, but it's okay. It's okay. Because I still see it now, and I'll do it right before I leave. It's 8. You gotta leave for 8:30, so I'll look at Jimmy right now. See, be like, are you awake? If not, be awake. How does that work? Does that work? You awake?
You ready? Let's get together.
Do you just wake up?
I've been chilling here.
Oh, ready. Yeah. Yeah. Did you eat your food already?
Yeah.
I got temperance. I want to practice patience, so now I got a little bit of breakfast. Protein bar. And then for you if you want. And then we got chia. We're starting off day with chia. Hmm?
We talking buses?
I've never done that. Why have I never done that? Why have I never done that? Why have I never done that? Just pulling.
Oh.
Oh, he's using the chain. You know what it is though? It's because I like the chain. I'm not gonna lie. It's a big long chain. It's like, yeah, and then it opens up all that light. Oh, I was ready to.
Oh god.
It's just loud. I want a truck world. Assembling keychains right now. What time is it? Fuck. 29 is crazy. You put on this, and here's what you need. You put this in your door frame, and you just like do, and then you just hook on. Yeah, like I'm like, but mine at home works, but it's like half hanging on, and that's because of the way this is. They have the door here, and usually it can put on the other side, right? It's supposed to go on this side, so it's not interfered, but there's no, look at the ledge. Plus that shit. Yeah. So it's supposed to go like this, but because of that, but on at your house it'll be fine. But yeah, okay.
Shit's called chocolate, right?
Yeah. I was getting the final touches. Yeah, my laundry. And make sure to take the shampoo. Okay. Doing something. Yeah. As long no, that's what it is because usually you're not moving your body when you're just chilling, when you're just at home. That's why you go to the gym. Uh, but if you got it like that, then you got it. Yeah.
You see why you go on stars. Shit's thick.
Real. Huh? Yeah. Could you not? They gave me the option. Yeah, well, yeah, but I got mine a while back, so and you only got yours like last week, no? Yeah. But low key is the same thing. Yeah. 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 I was like, okay, they serious. It's real. It's big. Apparently, because apparently this is like they only have this one like every other year. And it's held in Toronto, but other than that, it's like in Manitoba or something. Yeah, it's like and it's international too, like from the States and shit. It's international. So I'm like, damn. They're like everyone's there. Like it's the companies, every company. Yeah, people starting up, people that are established, people just digging around, the truckers themselves. I'm like, damn. So we're kind of lucky that we got to go this year because we wouldn't be able to go if we were like weren't enrolled in that. He's like, yeah. I'm like, say word. I'm like, wash the dishes. I was scared that I wasn't going to be in to wash them before I left. Because I wanted to also wash my roommate's dishes because he does that for me occasionally. So I wanted to return the gesture. I was scared I was gonna run off, but nah, I did. Fuck you. Okay. Yeah.
No?
Oh, it's probably in my pocket. Wait, where the? What I wear yesterday? I wear that. So I wear a hoodie. I wear that. Yeah, I think that's over there. Yeah.
Found it.
Like, all bangers. Yo, and I gotta bring my shorts. I gotta bring shorts. Okay, I'm gonna put the shorts on top of there already. Oh, my keys. I don't know. I like to think ahead so I just don't have to deal with it later. I honestly like, yeah, I had the thought. Yo, cause that's your spider sense. That's your if you think about it. If you're going about your day, go, and then all of a sudden you pause and you think about a certain action, you think about a certain thing. That's your spider sense. Starting the car. Ready to go. Okay. Okay. Oh,
So wondering if I should just.
yeah. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Better configuration, teamwork. Okay, bangers. And I ain't know a banger. Wait. Oof. Preemptively put this on my hip. There you go. What I'm saying, that's the spider sense. Oh yeah. It's not school. And also he didn't come all this week. He's on like he's been like, oh, I need a breather, I need a refresher. But let's see, when did he come last? He came on Monday. Yeah, Monday. No Tuesday. No Wednesday. Wait, was there Tuesday? No Tuesday because he was like Uber's $50. There was rain. It was like a storm. But yeah, and I'm like, I'm seeing he showed me. I'm like, Uber $50. He's like, oh, and I was gonna try to come to the second class, but then I waited. He's like, I waited like 20 minutes, and then it went to 80, and I'm like, oh yeah, I wouldn't go either. Fuck no. She was, hey, want to sign out? You got pizza?
Thank you.
Where you from? Where? Thank you. Have a good one, eh? Yeah, 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 yeah. My chia. Oh, oh, oh. My chia. Oh, high key. High key. High key. And I'll sell my car in that time too. Open backseat. Oh, wait, no, open trunk since the boy's probably gonna be with us later. Oh, but my trunk's full because of the tire. Oh, okay. Leaving the back seat so you remember?
Yeah.
And do you have the shim thing?
Yeah.
Oh. Amen. No, I can't even remember, but shit, it was a good day. It was a day that I unlocked the hip shit. I'm like, I was like, if only she was here to see me now.
Go, what you doing?
Yeah. Cause she walked in when I was still doing the warm-ups. I don't play about my warm-ups. I don't want to fuck my wrist. As long as you do everything safe enough, then you can do anything. If you have enough prep time, it's when you jump in trying to do the most advanced shit. That's when you injure yourself. I take it slow, a step by step. Low key good on time.
If you're 3 minutes to go home, it's not the right.
Nice. 9:15. Making good time. Play some music.
Breaking it down, we trying to sell it hard. Straight from the hood for the politics, to check out these Super Bowl.
Oh, so that chill. Oh, I didn't use shit post. Damn.
Niggas are fighting for a lane.
So that chill. It's what that chill. It's a nut. Ah. How that chia, Jimmy?
Pretty good.
Mm-hmm. So that chia do. That's what, and I'm gonna say, nah, chia give you superpowers. And chia allow you to do it. Yeah. That's not true. You have chia? No, alright.
Stop giving that nigga text. Right? Immediately. Oh,
That's what- No, I wish I woke up. I saw the message. I was annoyed. I said, I can't believe this. I was like, he could have spoiled my appetite. He could have spoiled my appetite. He had the possibility to do that.
I'm gonna go to the Western for you. Bitch. I don't know you.
Yo, and what he was just, I don't even know what he was doing. Like, he was asking me for a ride home, a ride somewhere. What the fuck are you asking? What's going on? And I told you, what's going on? I'm going home. Yo, people know you have the most comfortable time set up in the entire world. What you have waiting at home, what you paid $1,300 for, and then they'll try to disturb it. Honestly. They will every time. Niggas will fuck up your piece for the fun of it. And they'll say, I ain't know. Think about it, dickhead. Niggas are brave. Niggas are brave. And he's asking, what about the food over here or there? Bro, I can't. No one likes Scarborough. What's going on? Niggas in Scarborough barely like Scarborough.
Nigga saying, oh, I don't know. I don't go to get physician. Nigga, I don't come to Scarborough to get.
Yes, that's facts.
I go to Etobicoke to get.
I can hold on to Etobicoke more to get food. Scarborough has nothing.
Because we know the area. We know the food spots. That's how the nigga know.
That's literally true. Like, what? And he's like, this place just opened. Like, you know the spots because you live here.
I said, oh yeah, I got the burgers. I'm just trying this. I'm like, nigga, you just here to me.
Yes.
You go.
He ordered one of every wrap.
You know, you heard that shit?
He ordered one of every wrap.
Or this nigga said the chicken wrap, this wrap,
That's it. He said 5. He said 5 different wraps. I said, okay then. Well, she too busy. She trying to be a nurse. That's okay. And you know nurses are evil. Like, I remember when I was on floor 3 And that bitch nigga would bring over,
His whole family.
he would bring over his whole family. He would bring over all these women to try to taunt me. I'm like,
These clients?
no, but he and on the first day he's over here like, I just got some play. Second day, I just got some play. Third day, I just got married. I got a girlfriend. And I miss my ex. I'm like, shut. What? And I'm like, what's going on? I'm pretty sure he stole my safety glasses. I can't wait to do my tech reviews. Yo, when places start sponsoring me and they're like, review our product. Now that's gonna be something. They're giving me the newest speakers, the newest headphones. I'm like, okay, cause I'm a nerd. I love that shit. Yeah, I love doing the research. When I had to do the 360 cameras, I'm like, ooh, I haven't researched cameras before like this.
How many people are surprised that you're a nerd when you tell them all this shit?
None of them.
Oh, fair.
Oh, okay, well, they always know from the shit I do, like, cause they're like, oh, you 3D print your own things, like that's kind of nerdy. You must be a nerd to do that. I'm like, all right, yeah. And then also they know that I did electrical engineering. Oh, you're a nerd. Yeah, they look, But when I start talking about more about my nerd shit, like in depth, then they're like, oh, you're an Omega nerd. Oh, there are levels to this. I didn't know. I'm like, yeah. Yeah.
That's my girl said. You say about me. She's like, oh, you know you're a nerd. I'm like, huh? Really?
And she
She's
said,
like, yes, you talk about anime, cars, and fucking games. Like, well, I guess those are nerds.
oh, yeah.
Think about it like that at all. I just see you on so much shit.
Yeah. Categories are used to put restraints on things. Fuck categorization. I just do. You just do. Mm-hmm. What do you like? What do you like? What do you do? I do me.
I do what's fun.
Oh, everyone loves to ask, oh, so what do you do? What do you do? This is what I don't do, and it's not much. But you ask me what I do what it takes. I do what it takes.
In like the middle Toronto or like the east side, have swimming pools. West side did not.
Smithfield has swimming pool.
The inside though, like fun like inside.
Inside has a pool?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
We have that. We have that in Canada.
Yes.
Yo, so I just went to the worst high school in the world.
Yeah.
So I gained literally no life skills from high school. I gained no skills from that,
Because at least cars, you did something with your school. Niggas went on a fucking trip on the fucking station shop. Like, oh, that's fire. How come we don't do that shit? We struggle to go to fucking trips in Albion Hill.
Nah, this is
back to fucking Albion Hills. What am I hearing? Should be experienced.
We were genuinely struggling to go to Albion Hills. The Albion Hills trip got canceled. What was it Quebec?
It was Quebec, then it's canceled because not a lot of niggas want to go.
Yeah.
Then they went to Albion Hills. Only a fucking selected team.
Happens? Yeah.
Wipes.
Yeah, wipes. Do what?
Just what?
Yeah. Oh, they're pretty wet. Okay, good. Oh. I'll just only be able to hit like a fucking 10-minute workout. Let's see. Oh, okay. I say we want to get there around 10:30. Leave. It'll take 40 minutes. Leave at 9:50. 9:50. Ooh. Oh no, it redirected it. I was like, I don't remember there being a sudden fucking turn on this road to get. Yeah, to get to school. I'm like, I don't remember that. But yeah, say leave at 9:40. So when we leave at 10, it'll only be like we'll get there for basically 11. I'm like, yeah, that's good enough. You want within 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes. They tell you these are within 30 minutes. Within 15, preferably, but if you had something to do beforehand, if you did something of value beforehand, I justify it. I'm allowed to be 30 minutes late. But that's my problem. Yeah, but it gets it done. Sorry, Glenville, the teachers told us to meet at the 10:30.
Oh, your teachers are going to be there, like,
Yeah.
if we go fucking class days.
Mm-hmm. Well, yeah, technically. Well, we'll see our teachers around.
And this shit doesn't affect marks or attendance, and then it's just you'll show up because
Yeah, but he did do an assignment. He said, "Oh yeah, I do the assignment because we have 3 classes today." Well, yeah, we have like 3 classes today. So then we don't have to go to those classes. And the teacher's like, "Yeah, I give you this assignment just to show that the other teachers like, oh, they have something to give you a mark for." Like, it's something they could say, "Oh, yeah, all right. The truck show wasn't a waste of time." But all those teachers gonna be there anyway, so they didn't either way, they don't give a fuck. Oh, the chia good. Fuck. This is what I have to have every day. I have to.
yeah, I should have free soup. I have one couple of dates.
Mm-hmm.
I got used to the taste though.
We are.
It's fine.
I like that. Life is just building habits.
People, let's tell us nonsense, but we are retrying for the orders placed on your trusted customer. Have you ever tried the One Piece combo? That's crazy. The One Piece combo.
The One Piece combo. And Croton. It's the One Piece combo.
So it's just 2 pieces.
W collab though.
Oh my god, I forgot how fucking dude with those
Yeah.
shit.
I was like,
Cars.
they scrape all the time. And this is evil because this is a car campus.
That's what I'm saying.
Hey, Lee. Hey, how you doing? Good. Another day. Good to see you. Have a good one, eh? Oh, really? 1 hour late, and there's no parking. It's okay. I got the method.
You necessarily do zero.
So yep.
Back in the day, this used to be like the the tricks of time are starting now. Then, oh, that's another thing why I like fucking tabbies. Like, you just see people's bills.
Think we got time? We are actually on a time crunch. And I still got and I gotta put my shorts on too. Yeah. No. Genuinely, as much as I'm tempted, it's not a bad idea. I forgot my glasses. Go without me. I need my music. I'll die if I don't have my music. Ugh. I got us up in my locker. Beach nigga. Thank you. I broke it. It got long and it don't get short now. And the elastic broke. I'm here stretching, all of a sudden, dunk! And now it's long as shit. I broke it. It's supposed to be elastic. I'm doing my stretches. Yo! Dream, peep this. Peep when you're done. I'm mastering that fucking transition. Look at this shit. No. I got that the transition. I don't have to swing. Hollow back. Hips, core. Ooh. I'm starting to get the transition. I just go up now. Oh, fuck, that's all, of course. That looks sick.
you're up there.
Yeah.
You just need fucking.
Yeah.
Again, it's just down.
You go. Let's see. Yeah. The bars are easier because you don't have to. Your wrists aren't a limiting factor.
Early in the morning.
You got elbow front lever. Elbow front lever. You know, and you gotta do a breathing brace. You gotta make sure you gotta brace your core, but at the exact same time, you have to remember to breathe.
Fuck, this is my pocket.
The goat pants. Oh, 17 minutes? Oh yeah, it's 9:30. Okay. Oh, you're using the 30-minute rule? Oh, good one. All right. Okay, straightforward, good. You could fall. Okay. I want you to get familiar with that feeling.